or it would be cool if you can, but none of us can remember when we were children, like really, really young, when we were like infants still crawling on the floor. See, your parents, what they do, both of them agreed on a name, and they decided to call you that. See, my name when I was born was Roger, alright? So, I'm sure that my parents kept calling me Roger, 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 Roger. And they would give me that look, hoping for me to respond. I can see little kids getting called by the same name by both of their parents all the time. And that look that their parents gives them, they want the baby to respond by that name. Okay, so you just call them Roger, 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 until at one point I look. Then they'll like start smiling, showing that yes, you just did the right thing. All right, so you got to think about that. Your mind, after a while, knows to respond to that name. At first, it doesn't even know that it's a name. But after a while of hearing it over and over and over again, it gets it. So, if you keep going up to someone calling them stupid, retarded, or anything else, after a while, the mind's going to remember that. See, the mind doesn't forget anything. Your mind, somewhere inside your brain, your mind remembered the first thing you saw, the first thing you smelled, the first thing you heard, the first thing you touched, everything. Alright? That's why a lot of people who lose their memories out of like old age and everything, a lot of times they smell things because the sense of smell brings back a lot of memories. See, you can remember things, but you just can't go there. Like, I don't mean like physically go there, but like, I mean, you can't contact that part of your brain. Most people can't. See, so people in their 20s can't remember, oh yeah, I remember when I was 5 I did this. Nah. But that doesn't mean that it's not in their brain still. They can, in their brain, your brain can still remember exactly what you said, exactly what you smelt, exactly what you felt, everything. Your brain records that. Just like how I'm doing on my iPad right now. My iPad's recording, it's remembering what I'm doing. If I don't delete this, then my iPad's gonna remember this until something happens to it or something, until it dies. Which is the same thing with our bodies. Your brain remembers everything you do until it dies. Alright? And yes, I know, I've went very off track than when I started this video. Alright, so let me go back, alright? So, we got done with 1, which is a part of the Supreme Mathematics. But I wanted to get up to at least 3, so let me go over 2 right now. And it's a very funny thing with what 2 is compared to what 1 is. See, 2 is wisdom, which is wise words being spoke or to speak knowledge. Alright, to speak knowledge. So 1 was knowledge, now 2 is wisdom. Wisdom, part of wisdom is to speak knowledge. Alright, so when you see the moon, you ever wonder why it shines? See, that's the sun reflecting its light off of the moon. When we look at the moon, we're seeing the moon. That's not, if you go to the moon, it's not going to look all bright and everything unless the sun's blazing on it. See, the sun shoots out light, and the moon, sense of its color, reflects it. That's like the same thing with black and white people. See, black people's skin naturally absorbs sunlight. You take a piece of black paper and you put it out there, it's going to naturally be hotter and everything because it absorbs sun. But now we take a white piece of paper, that thing reflects. If you look at a white piece of paper while the sun's hitting it, you can, like, it hurts your eyes still kind of because that paper is still reflecting the sun. So now the moon is a reflection of the sun's light. See, wisdom is a reflection of knowledge. See, wait, hold on for